iGo is actually an event service provider. So basically we do ticketing, live streaming, and right now we've just touched on 360 immersive virtual events. Prior to COVID, we were doing physical events, and then when COVID hit us pretty hard, our industries were one of the first few to actually be spin 360 and had nowhere else to go. So we decided maybe it's time for us to pivot our business plans and take it virtually. For my part, I think because our company is a startup, so definitely everything was still bare bones, you see. One way, obviously, to kickstart everything was to build brand awareness for our company, and that way PCP really did help a lot with the basic and advanced tools that we needed, how to use the right tools to get the leads that we need, and to actually central focus on the leads that we need for the company, for the industry itself.
I don't know anything about marketing or something like this because I was from the F&B industry. Actually, upgrade myself. I think that I should, join it lah. So when I joined, then I was a bit scared. I told Rachel that I'm a bit scared to, study again because it's like my brain already is very rusty already. I give it back all to my primary school and secondary school teachers. So when I start, it was a bit difficult at the start, but all the professors and our mentors are very good and very, very patient with us. So eventually, I get to understand more, and now I'm like a professional.
Yeah, I think the reason why we chose PCP was because of the opportunities that we were given. One thing great about PCP was that the mentors and the professors that were involved in this whole program with us were super engaging, and they were super helpful. Even out of class, they were still engaging with us, how can we go about in making things work, making us understand. Probably maybe we missed a class or two. Patience was key towards everything that was going down with this program, and that's something that we really loved about it, as well as benefited from it. Actually, it was throughout, every day meeting our new group of friends, meeting new people, learning what they do, understanding what they do, and actually collaborating with them after work as well. I think that was the best part. Instead of it just being a program, it actually helped us network with each other and go beyond this relationship. We actually collaborate together with business. We actually use each other's services to help each other's businesses as a whole. And I think that was the best part about PCP for us.
Knowing all these people, different kind of industries, what they do. Yeah, actually we really bond together as a class. And until now, we still activate on our WhatsApp group.
The program and the style and the flow of it all, it's super easy to understand. I can guarantee you the people who are hosting these programs, they are always on the ball, they're always on their toes, making sure that you're getting what you need, getting the right tools you need, getting up to speed with the classes in case you've missed them. And the mentors and the professors, top notch, because they will cater to you personally if needed. They will literally have a one-on-one session with you after class, or even in between class, during lunch breaks and everything. They actually sacrifice lunch breaks for you.